Chuso lesilo la emotweni. Hey.
Thokozine Royal. We back to Conscious Fridays. We have our fab right here. Umkhulu Mlaba. Izolo umkhulu bekakhuluma about ukhulukhulwane. And as the Sotho groups, we all know what khulukhulwane is. But we understand the concepts, we're just struggling with how do you explain noon? What is noon? And then what's Namakesha Benpete Inikon? Where can I see it?
How can I see it?
How can I see it? Noon. Amakesha appear the wrong translation. They translated N-O-O-N, not N-U-N. The waters of noon.
Yeah, injalo. Yeah. Noon, waters of Obis. My cousin, a chemical story of creation. It's Ilum dog. It's not finds an evil king. Or Shami Emila. Is it may be that was sprung out corner the atom first creation atom Yaku. Alright. But see because I know say we have consciousness. Over all there is knowledge. In it's a vast of knowledge. Masitata spiritual. And then physical is this what of which is imagine a volcano on the energy lab. Imagine the energy ever state we volcano. This noon is waters of obis basically explain the energy is stored in that state. It's energy. This energy is consciousness. It's knowledge. Knowledge is infinite. This noon is infinite. Spiritual is knowledge, consciousness. There's nothing that can ever exist without knowledge. Before anything can exist, first you need to toilet. Picture toilet. Before anything exists physically, first it exists in one way. Which means before we exist, before atom is sprung out jamba, atom divided atom, keep a shoe and technique, right? Then from shoe and technique, so by Abu God and stuff is. Marang Buela, young in the creator in knowledge. You first think before you create. Then this known is knowledge, vast knowledge, infinite. Remember, Oguti Ndawiya's mind does not mean that I exist elsewhere. Oguti song la school. Calling these things as, for example, let's say a formula to build the sky a city in the sky does exist. Mara Asiasti, it's not that I exist. No one has it right now. But whoever is built here now is so called the plan. This noon is knowledge, which is infinite.
That level of consciousness, I see ukhona umuntu onayo but asikaka reach. So manje mina usisase lapho ke konje bese kuphi ngikhuluma ngala
level of consciousness
of consciousness that we need to reach in order for us to do great things. Like you spoke about the city in the sky, that it's possible for us to build a city in the sky. Mine is to say that you go to Egypt. Go to Egypt, you see how the pyramids were built. No one can build those. So how do we regain that consciousness, that brilliance that we had as the melanated people? Yes.
Yeah. Thanks for the question, Kay. Thanks for the question. The question takes us back to consciousness.
Yes.
What is consciousness, Kay? What is consciousness? Consciousness. Everything comes from consciousness. Everything is created by consciousness. Okay, if you have there's one guy once said, if you got if you have what's this, golf ball size consciousness, when you wake up in the morning, uzoba ne golf ball size wakefulness. When you read a book, you're going to have a golf ball size understanding. If you improve your consciousness, you then have a tennis ball size consciousness. When you wake up in the morning, you will have a tennis ball size wakefulness. And when you read a book, you'll be having a tennis ball size understanding. Same when you improve your consciousness to soccer ball size. When you wake up in the morning, you're going to have a soccer ball size wakefulness. When you read a book, you're going to have a soccer ball size understanding. That's why you get class in is 15 Mrs. Funsa in Toma class in about job understanding, I understand that. The children song is because of consciousness. Consciousness. What is consciousness? How do we become conscious? Being conscious, being aware of what's happening now. Be conscious of what's happening. And the consciousness of the opposite, the other side. Remember, the ego is the other side. Okay, consciousness, it can be the light, the ego can be the dark side. They need to be balanced, basically. And now, this consciousness, remember, the reason why we came to this world, to ascend consciousness. And then consciousness.
For the benefit of who?
Everything is in you. Everything's about you. You are the one who's going to benefit. Remember, anything exists. Anything exists because you are conscious of it.
Sure. Like the example you're making, Guti. His class as one in a forest with Agnamuto witnessing.
That's it. This world, this universe actually exists because of our conscience. Basically, this material world is not real. What is real is conscience. This material world exists because of our conscience. Remember, we're still going to say this again. If you start a siawa in the bush and no one is there to witness it, the starter did not fall. That falling of the tree does not exist. Anything exists because of someone is witnessing it. Basically, anything exists because of consciousness. And so, that's why it's important that you carry conscience. That's when all the energy is happening. All of these things, they are just the image. Like in each home, they're not real. It's like art drawing, but drawing in consciousness. And so that consciousness is the one who...
Animated.
And it's animation, you don't get these things. Sure. And then, that's why you need to protect your consciousness. But everything happens there. If you're going to start a political party, with consciousness, they need consciousness abantu, and they know to have conscious to a certain level. You don't have conscious to another vibration, to another frequency.
That's why I saw no one lazy door to door, man.
And then it comes back to this consciousness. Alright. The only way is to tap back into our ancient knowledge. Because of ecumenic science is all about knowledge. Because of everything they look knowledge. Consciousness is knowledge. And these people, they said, there's a quote issue one of the presidents of America, and the truth is something that is so precious. That is why it is important that it is guarded by a bodyguard of lies. That means for every truth to release, there are bodyguard of lies. We are making sure that you don't get to that truth. And that truth, what we need to increase knowledge here. That knowledge lets conscious improve. And conscious improve. Conscious is known. You are God. You are conscious. Should you ascend to those in 7th, 9th dimension, you become a godly state, completely God. Because of you are conscious, and that conscious is God.
So we still micro.
You know,
we are micros of God.
Exactly.
Yeah. You know, the consciousness. Because I think consciousness could is a person into the. You know, we need not look at the symptoms, but let's go to the roots. Even the food that we eat, you know, the music that we listen to. The frequency, I say vibrated the way Mele vibrating a call. That's why it's not reached that level of consciousness that we're supposed to be operating on. You know, it's because of many factors, music, TV, amasonto, izinto ezinjalo. Lezo zinto yizo izinto mele siqale move away from zona ukuligcina, you know, that consciousness.
Yes, they also contribute. There are other things contribute to as is physical. But most important part is the knowledge, is the mind. And the mind is spiritual. The mind is spiritual. Firstly, I need to feed myself because of it's important that I can make conscious. What you think becomes. What you think you create. It's important, and remember, you cannot think of something that you don't know it exists. That was example right now. Rural area, Mozambique, rural area, not a troop in 25 years, and I got a TV at all. If you want to eat in McDonald's. Basically, McDonald's exists in Musabawa. And so, yeah, I can imagine. And remember, anything we create, you create an imagination. It's important that you are able to imagine. Because imagination, they create. Anything for it to exist. First, it started in the mind. Ukulu and in the noon, these waters of abyss, is knowledge, is consciousness. And so, this consciousness thought of creating the world, then the world came to existence. Anything that you think, it manifests. This noon thought of creating the world. That's when all these elements came out. They came out of the thought of.
But then there's a Jehud element in there.
Jehud is the.
But you see, we're saying in the beginning, from the plagiarized version would be in the beginning was the word.
Yes.
And then there was also another Trinity that was explained that Jehud was my aunt and Ansas, but the favorite Trinity that you like to explain.
Asa. It's Jehud, my aunt and Asa. And then we plagiarize the plagiarized version.
So what Umkulu was saying, sorry Kesha. For him, Noon would be an infinite. What you say? What did you say? Is that what you said?
Infinite.
No, you used two lines, but anyway, yes. So that, yeah. The beginning and the end in one.
Timeless time.
Timeless time, that's what you said. So it was okay. That's what you said. So it was okay.
So, we are back to the recitation in the beginning, the Trinity exists in the beginning, which is Asa, Ma'at, and Jehud. And Masia, we plagiarize version. It's in the beginning, there was the way. Let there be light, which is Asa. The way is Jehud, let there be light is Asa. And there was order. Remember, in the beginning, there was disorder. Before any creation took place, the plagiarized version of Book of the Dead, Genesis 1 verse 1, it says, in the beginning. It's the plagiarized version. Hence, remember, it's better than the two.
We all come from there.
Yes. But then the way plagiarized, these people, remember, these people, they twisted everything for us not to understand. Then they understood what it meant. When they understand the way, Bashu Jehud. Tina assess permanently. When they understood Mamati, let there be light. Light is Asa. They understood Asa. Tina understand it. But now Kumabuti, there was disorder. Then after the way it created order. They understood it, they meant my aunt. Of which Book of the Dead, the creation is
yeah,
Asa.
but my child was that they would be that it doesn't denote to timeless time, you know. You're not a but as well.
Yes.
The purpose of life again. Because so I asked you to keep for the benefit of who? Like you reaching a godly state that when you get this consciousness, give for benefit of whom exactly or what is the purpose?
That's been crazy. Alright. It's a Pegaso, this thing. It's a Pegaso. Noon is love. To answer your question, good for the benefit of food. This life, this whole thing is a guy. We are question the question in life for the benefit of food.
Consciousness for the benefit of who? When I reach, why do I need to reach that godly state? Yes. Other dimensions. Okay. These are the problems in the locations where they located us. When we can create a wireless electricity.
We have the know-how. We have the know-how.
Oh, nothing is can do it, but continue. I mean, we are willing to have wireless electricity, but continue.
Alright. You don't get it. Benefit of food. Unun. It's infinite love. Nature Kanun is love, which is nature meaning. Ne? But now, you know me, why not create anything? If you have love and not having anyone to give it to, what's the good of is that love? So when the problem? Somehow, you know what? I feel less or I feel empty. Then after we had to create something else except to time. To share the love I give. Yeah? Wait, do it make sense?
I hear you.
Okay, if noon is love,
I hear you.
noon is love.
Yeah, but then
And,
you need to
no-
dissect love and
Remember,
but I hear you.
whereby there's no division, there's only one, there's no
There's
duality.
always give, receive, give, receive.
Okay,
give, receive.
as if yes, it's as if we were much deeper. You know, you see, this type deeper if we have to. See, it's noon is love, infinite, right? And before anything was created, there is only noon that exists. It's on. Vuma Yala, Piga,
Toza.
Vuma Piga.
Toza.
In the beginning, there was only noon, not in the beginning, because there was no beginning. Noon is
Sure.
the beginning is the beginning of creation.
I know. Higher level.
Wait, the beginning is the beginning of the creation. Before any beginning, anything began. Noon is. That's what is. That's what. That's what will be. Is the beginning, is the end. Sharp. Alright, noon is love. And if there's only love and there's nothing to give that love to, what good is love?
Sure.
And so if noon is true love, definitely will long for someone to give love to. Sison.
I see so.
Okay, let's say whatever is the show man you are being deep. Let's just as who if it's been to business also vara so vara ma will get over.
Sure. I know Nyaguza on
So
that.
the
purpose of life.
The question is the purpose of life. Who is the purpose of life? It's know creative.
Before Alganani, before Unun, before Nun emerged.
Noon is
Noon-
never
Noon,
imaged.
yes.
No, okay.
Umuntu image ile umveli we are veli the time
From the water
So,
source.
Unun akavela.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Sure.
The word of God.
in that state of nothingness, that was a state of nothingness.
You cannot say it's nothingness because of its noon. Noon is everything.
Everythingness.
You cannot say everything.
What is who
Abandon.
is low vibrational?
No, nothingness. No, noon is nothing. You cannot say noon is nothing. Noon is it's waters of abyss. Imagine if volcano A1 might be a lab, imagine the energy embedded in there. If volcano A1 might erupt, imagine energy there. Imagine then there's only that energy. That's what noon is.
What they call the Big Bang.
Before Big Bang exists, Big Bang is just funny.
It's emergent.
It was the beginning, or it was Big Bang. Before Big Bang, it's noon. Noon, it's waters of abyss.
The everything. Water.
Mama, this everything may be cast. But if volcano, imagine the energy a volcano. If volcano in a Cuba like in Tama Ela, you imagine if volcano energy that we can harness from that volcano. Mama, energy in a fuel for the next 20 years. The electricity whatsoever. Volcano, if we have to convert that energy to volcano since it's current. Electric current thing sustain the whole world for the next 1,000 years. Hence, about Nikola Tesla, but if electricity must be free. It's because they understood there's more energy than anything.
We are driven by energy.
You understand? And so this thing of lack is just political games. There's lack of things. There's no lack. There's abundance. There's more than enough.
There's
Because
that
of this
quote
noon.
Dr. Clark made. Yeah, I need to read it. Do you have it? Let me see. I think you probably have it before. But about how.
How do you know where
I know
to
you have
locate them?
It's a joy like it came in my telling you, it's telling me energy engenakulinganiswa. Immeasurable. You cannot measure it.
No beginning, no end.
No beginning, no end. That's what noon is.
The end is the beginning.
So can we go back to the part, because that's what the part that I need to understand. The one you're giving love, the giving love.
Yeah.
Love.
Yeah. And then want to share the love too.
Yeah.
Right. Think of it
I'm trying to, for you to
understand
just
the
clarity.
yeah. All right. And so if noon is love, and if no time, you feel death. And so Zoham share a sample to give love to. And this is a lie. So our time, had to create someone who's receive time.
So Unun already has passed that love to us.
The reason you created this life is to give love, someone to give love to.
Because I think last week Nkulu was something that you cannot give love if you don't love yourself.
Thank you.
You can't pass down something that you don't
you
have.
cannot offer what you don't have.
Yeah. So now it means Tina. Njengoba uthi uNunu angisho ipass she. It's he. It's he.
Okay, not he. Okay, lapha nakam naturally. Sase oneness.
Okay, that oneness.
Akakabi mutuality formeke.
Yeah, you le esinikeza lothando lobu lolumele soparate ngalo thina ngabantu.
Esiyilo thina mesithephe kulo then after first experience.
Manje kwenzakaleni ngalothando ngoba lisekho.
Uthando siluzile. Siluzile. Nothing kungcoliswa bamangcolisa consciously contaminate our teachings. Remember, knowledge you are knowledge you have a consciousness and you only doesn't knowledge. If someone has to feel with the knowledge you there, and these people they know how to do that. Hence, first thing by it is they alter with our history. Remember, by altering it you alter consciousness. These people they must show that change history to you. Change history to you, so change consciousness. Change consciousness to so no. Already saza what we are great people. We start being jealous of each other. We start hating each other. And this thing got jealous. You are his energy. You understand this. When you talk of jealous, it's not that there's someone who's on lawyer and even the part whatsoever. This energy on itself is on lawyer in court. Ain't is the same as umuntu vibrator othandweni. Energy there. You attract this into no time. Same as vibrator with hatred. It's energy there. You attract into hatred. Meaning, konke lokho kusuka engqondweni. And so engqondweni kulapho knowledge khona uyi-conscious
manifestation
is engqondweni. And so gogo manje soyithola ukuyivala kahle ununu. Maybe specify book of the day, book of life, book of coming forth by day. Coming forth by day. It may explain that unknown as this waters of bees. It explain the energy embedded with that state, that being we need. If imagine a volcano A1, imagine energy that. Let's imagine Africa young people volcano, imagine with never energy that. Let's imagine Africa and our continent on Guatemala is a volcano. Can you imagine volcano Ghana? Then imagine again the whole is volcano. If
united,
they say the whole this the square earth, you need peace and harmony.
Sure.
With the whole. You're not saying it. Imagine a volcano being
also
the whole.
Being
the whole.
Sure.
It was amandla. Energy. What there is energy.
Hey, so that's what I'm saying.
The energy is where we
If it was black unity, that's how powerful that would be.
You understand? And so inunile, and so tinubela winunge. It's a clear consciousness. And the only thing, there's only one truth. Yeah, it's your truth, it's your truth. You have a pillar, there's nothing like it's your truth. But it's your truth. Now my Bible not make sense that thing. There's no your truth. It cannot be.
It's the truth.
That's the truth.
That's the truth.
It's not yours, not mine. It's a fact.
That's fine.
It's a fact. There's not.
Ayisathokoza Ndlovukazi. To be continued. GEK movement.
Hashtag black conscious. Black unity, black economy, black unity for the black economy, black consciousness, proper black consciousness. Waya, beke libeke.
Vusele.
Hashtag Conscious Fridays, conscious with a K. Join us again next week. Hide effect for those we offend. Not by purpose. That's true. That's
Free.